Hello you all, and welcome to this sunny Saturday. Look how the weather is. Very beautiful, isn't it? So, in such a sunny Saturday, what should we do? Go to the beach? Go to the park? No, of course we should go to replace the radiator of my 4Runner, because this one has a hole in it, and you can even see here water escaping because of rust. Here the work never ends, so follow me. First thing we should do is to drain the radiator, of course. Remove the upper cap. And there is a petcock here that we should open. And then we should remove the shroud. There are 4 10mm screws, and that's the next step. On the underneath there are some hoses for the cooling of the gearbox and the feed hose for water. Those should be removed too. We should remove this hose, the main one, this feeding hose. Actually, this is the transmission hose, this and this one. And for me, I am a Mercedes guy, and for me it's strange to see hoses from transmissions made of so thin material and just hold it by brackets like this. In Mercedes they are always hydraulic hoses for high pressure and with proper connections. For me this is rather strange, really. And now for removing the radiator, the front grille should come out, and those 4 screws should be removed. One here, one here, and one there down. I already removed it. Now we must mount these connections for the gearbox. They come new with the radiator. If you're in doubt which one goes where, just look your old radiator and problem will be solved. Before installing the grill, better to fill up the radiator and check for leaks. And now we turn on the engine and check for leaks. The engine on, it's important to turn the heater on to the maximum. This way we can expel air from the system. So guys, hope you enjoyed, hope it was useful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on my channel, and for always receiving key tips for fixing your own cars and save money. Thank you a lot, love you very much, and keep on driving.